Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Akshat Mishra and today I'm upsolving this problem D of Atcoder Beginner Contest 286. It's called Money in Hand problem, as you can see. And let's just read the problem statement first. So Takahashi has n kind of coins, especially for the range of I. He has BI coins worth AI yen, the currency in Japan, each, and we have to determine if Takahashi can pay exactly X yen without change with the coins he currently has. Okay, let's just read some samples so we can understand the problem. So here is how we would take the input. We would have n, which would denote the number of coins, and we have x, which would denote the amount we have to make up from those coins we have, and this would denote the amount of the coin, and this would denote how many coin we have of that respective amount. Okay, so let's just see sample input 1. So yeah, if we have two kinds of coins, that is of 2 yen and 5 yen each, and 2 yen has 3 coins and 5 yen coins are 6, then we have to make up the amount of 19 yen from this. And in the sample we are given that if we take up two 2 yen coins and 3 5 yen coins, we can make up this sum. So let's just take one another example. So yeah, here is the example. Let's say we have n equal to 3, that we have 3 kinds of coins, and we have to make up the amount of 5 yen, and the 1 yen coin frequency is 1, the 2 yen coin frequency is 2, and 3 yen coin frequency is 3. Okay, so we have to make up the sum of 5 yen. Now there could be many ways to do that. One of them could be to take up 1 yen coin and two 2 yen coins. So yeah, 1 and 2 2 yen coins. Then this would I guess add up to 5 yen, or I suppose yes, it would add up to 5 yen. And what if we take one 3 yen coin? So 1 3 yen coin, and we take one 2 yen coin, then also it would add up to 5 yen. Okay, so I hope you understood what that question is trying to say. And I know you would be tempted to use unordered map in this question by seeing that we have some coins which could be made up as keys, and we have frequencies of these coins which we could make up as their values, thus making key value pair. But a rather good approach to do this question is by using bit manipulation. We can make an array of size x plus 1. Like suppose here we had x equal to 5, so I made an array of size 6, and in it we can just fill up all the indexes up to x which can be occupied by using these coins with their frequencies. So we can always have 0 yen, so I have made it true here, and initially all the rest can made up 0, and as soon as we encounter a coin, then I would fill it up at the particular index. Okay, so yeah, what I can do is I can just take uh, first I can take 1 yen, and since I encountered 1 yen, I would rather minus. What can I do is I can make 1 yen, that is for sure, so I can fill it up here. Now if I can make 1 yen, then I can also make 2 yen by using 1 2, so 2 yen can also be filled up, and by using 2 2s we could make 4 yen, and by the combination of 1 yen coin and 1 2 yen coin we could make up 3 yen. By the combination of 1 yen coin and 2 yen coins we can make up 5. So up till here all things are filled up. Now we can also take 3, like I can make 3 yen with the help of 1 3 yen coin. With the help of 1 3 yen coin and 1 yen coin I can make up 4, and with the help of yen coin and 1 2 yen coin I can make up 5. But since these are already filled up, so I won't be using it right now. What I can do in this question is run a loop, and that loop would be b times. Okay, what I can do in this question is I can run a loop which would be running b times, and what I mean by b times is the number of times a coin occurs, that many times the loop occurs. Okay, so I can run a loop b times, and what I am doing in this loop is I am filling up the elements which would be occupied by the coin. Okay, so how would I do that? I would just amount which would be made up by using the coins. So let's say we have the amount to be 0 yen, so it would be always possible, and when we are looping through the frequency of any yen coin, let's say we loop through 1 yen coin frequency, then we would be filling up it by ORing it with the element present in minus times the index, or I can say index minus the amount of that coin. So what I trying to say is let's say we have 1 yen coin, and its index would be 1 at the beginning, and since it runs only one time, so we would, if we minus this thing with the amount of it, then we would come up with 0. So yeah, 0 is always 1, so 1 would be filled up here, and since this is populated now, that means 1 yen can be made possible. Now if we try it for 2 yen, and I guess 2 yen's frequency was 2, so if we try it for 2 yen, then first I would start it with yeah, a good approach would be to start it with I equal to a. Okay, and I would be less than equal to x. Yes, that could be a better approach. Okay, so I can start it with I equal to a. That means if I have 2, then I can start it at the index 2 and check for whether we can make it up equal to 1 or not by minusing that present index with the amount of that coin. Okay, so here d at 2 would be equal to d at 2 minus the amount of that coin, that is 2. So since 0 is already populated, so this would be filled up. Now when we move to d equal to I equal to 3, then also it would be odd because 1 yen coin was already filled up by using 1 yen. So now 3 is also possible, and when we move to 4, this would become 2, and 2 was already populated, so 2 is also possible. Now when we check it for 3, let's say we check it for 3, then first I would be equal to 3, I would be always less than equal to 5, which is quite clear right now. And yeah, it would begin, and if we take the difference from here, then it would get populated. We take the difference from here, it would get populated. We take the difference from here, it would get populated. So yeah, everything fills up. So I hope you understand the formula which is occurring here. Then a into I would always get filled up. Okay, and what is I is less than equal to b. So we are filling up these amounts on the array, and we are filling it up, so it means that we are occupying that array a into 2I till b is possible. So I hope you understand what the question was trying to. Now I hope you understood what the question was trying to say, and let's check the code of the problem now. So as I said, I would make up an array. Here I've used vector of boolean type, and it's called possible amount. It's of the size x plus 1, as I said, and all the values in it are currently false except the first value, which is 0 index. It is always true, and we are looping through the n coins and looping through the frequency of a respective bth th coin, and yeah, we are starting from the back of the array, and after every traversal we will go till only the amount of that coin. Okay, and the possible amount index would be odd with the possible amount minus the amount of that coin index, and if it won't. And finally, if possible amount at the current index which is required, that is the x amount which we need to make up, is filled, then we would return yes, that means it's possible, otherwise we would return no. So I hope you understood what the question was trying to say, and I hope you understood the problem. Thanks for watching.